visiting Mississauga Greenhouse. Let's see what they have in stock for June. Some of the top 10 plants for June that are popular in the garden center right now are lavenders. They have a good selection available here. We do have different size pots of the English lavender. This is the white variety. It's a nice white bloom. These are getting ready to bloom as well. There's this variety also with the long blooms. Great for cutting. And the classic English lavender with a little bit shorter bushy plant. Some more varieties here in the smaller container for $4. Starting to bloom. These are more of the long stems. They also have some of these hollyhock. This comes in a different variety of colors. These look like they're mostly yellow. And also what's popular right now in the garden centers, larkspur. Beautiful purple bloom on this. There's also some echinaceas. And cornflower. We're getting ready to bloom. A white variety. There's some heucheras as well. Nice foliage. 3 different varieties. There's some foxglove. We have a peach color, the pink, and then also the purple. And even have one bloom back here that's white. Let's see how much they're selling these for. Okay, it looks like $12. Another popular plant right now in the garden centers are roses. There's quite a few selections here at Mississauga Greenhouse. We have Cinderella, Fairy Tale, beautiful pink bloom. Some other varieties that we have, Abbotsford Rose. These are some small purple blooms. There's a really pretty white rose back here. Let's see if I can find a tag. Okay, so this is the white gold. Really big white flowers. Almost a cream color. And the smell is amazing. Some more big blooms over here. Look at that nice pink. This one is Pink Peace. see what other varieties we have in bloom. This one is Fragrant Cloud. Look at that bloom. Really big, nice spicy fragrance. We have this color here. This one is Chicago Peace. Look at all the roses. Perfect time to add them to your garden. They're in bloom, so you can see what the blooms look like and get the perfect rose for your garden. Another great plant, Veronica. Magic Show Ever After in the Provone Winners variety. And this is all budded up, getting ready to bloom. $15 for this variegated phlox. This one is a nice one to add to the garden this time of year. Has a beautiful pink bloom, and then we also have nice variegated leaf before the flowers come out. Corabelles. This one's caramel, and it looks like the one that I have in my garden that I've been looking for. Need to add a third one to that border in my shade garden. This looks like the one. There's this unique plant, Cordalis, almost like a bleeding heart. Love the strappy foliage, and then it has a nice small purple bloom. Really pretty. There's some lupins going for $15, just getting ready to bloom. There's some ornamental onions or millennium. Jacob's Ladder. Great one to add to your shade garden as well. Nice variegated foliage. And then we also have a small purple bloom. This is a good find as well. Plumbago. You get the nice purple bloom, and then also the red foliage in the fall. Great one to add. Some more great plants for your June garden. Blue Ice and Amsonia. Nice purple flower, nice strappy leaves. Really lovely focal point in the garden. In the 3.5 inch containers, these are going for $4.30. This is a good plant to add to the garden this time of year. Sea turf. They have a few different varieties, along with the variegated foliage as well. This one's really pretty. Candy tuft. This is nice to add to a border. Nice white pop of color. And they do have a few varieties here. Russian sage. These are great for the June garden. Just starting to flush out and should be blooming by the end of this month. Beautiful, nice purple bloom that attracts the pollinators. The Ascot Rainbow is a nice foliage plant to tuck into any garden bed. Have the nice variegated foliage, and then it also blooms with a yellow flower. Very nice pop of color in any garden bed. Thanks for watching today, guys. Another successful trip to the garden center.